Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you for stopping by again. Today we'll be making some Norwegian food known as Bacalao, or you can call it fish stew. And I have some cod fish which I've been soaking for 3 days because it is salted, but I kept on changing the water every day. So the third day, I'll be taking out the bones because there are still some bones on the fish, and I have little ones. I don't want them to swallow the bone. So I will just gently debone it just like so. I've been soaking this for 3 days, but the fish still looks very hard. So it will take some time to cook. So after deboning it just like so, with your knife, I will go ahead and start dicing it. You can use it like this, but because I told you earlier that the fish is very strong, so you need to cut it a little bit before you use it, because it's not the type of fish that you say that it will break into the food or into the soup. So after deboning it, I will cut it into my desired shape. You can make yours a little bit tinier. You can make it a little bit big, or you can leave it like this. So this is how I'm cutting it because I still want some chunks of fish into the food. I don't want it to be very tiny that I will be looking for it with starch. So you get what I mean. So cut into your desired shape or sizes. And into a pot, I'll be adding some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up, then add a lot of onion and garlic. This requires a lot of onions. So I add a lot of white onions and garlic. I'll just throw in some bay leaf. Then I will give it a stir and saute it for at least a minute. I will add some thyme to this, dry thyme. If you have fresh thyme, you can make use of it. Otherwise, you can use rosemary. Then I will stir it again to saute it for at least another 1 minute. Then I will introduce the tomatoes that I'm using. You can use fresh tomatoes. You can use the combination of fresh tomatoes and dry tomato. That's the tin tomato. But I'm making use of only this one. Then I will add seasoning powder. Use any seasoning powder of your choice. Add some salt. Cover and allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes on a low heat. Stir to make sure that it's not burning. Cover again for 5 minutes. Then add your peppers. I'm making use of black pepper. Then I will be adding some chili flakes. Then after adding your pepper, stir and it is as good as ready. In your baking pan, add the tomato sauce just like so at the base. Spread it very well. After spreading it, start adding your sliced potatoes just like so. I'm making use of mandel potato with the skin on. You can take off the skin of your potato. You can use any type of potato, any type of Irish potato of your choice. Then after adding the potatoes, I will top up the fish just like so. After spreading the fish on it, I will add some paprika. You can use any color of the paprika of your choice. Then I'm adding the green olives. Basically, Norwegians use black olives for this, but I don't have black olives. I'm using what I have. I will add some seasoning. This is the type of seasoning that I'm using to season the fish a bit. Add some black pepper on the fish just to season the fish a bit. Then I will add more potatoes on top of it because I still have much potatoes. Then after adding the potatoes, I will still top it up with some fish. I'm using a lot of fish, guys. I love proteins. Then after adding the remaining fishes that I have, I will add more paprika to it and more olives. Then after adding the olives, I will still season the fishes again with all-purpose seasoning. Then I will be adding the remaining sauce, the remaining tomato sauce, just like so. Then once I'm done adding the tomato sauce, I will put it in the oven. I've been preheating this oven for a while, at least 10 minutes. Then I will bake it for a total of 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes. Just keep your eye on it to make sure that it's not burning, depending on the setting of your oven. But this is at 180 degrees C, and I baked this for total of 1 hour. Then I'm taking it out now because it is ready to be enjoyed. You can eat it as it is like this. You can eat it with some rice, but me, I'll be eating it like this. But before then, I will top it up with some basil leaves, just like so, and it's good to go. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments below till I come your way again. Bye, and see you in my next video. Ciao.